Hello everyone, today we are going to be discussing how we can get the vmix 28 Pro installed on our PC. Every one of you know that the vmix 28 Pro crack is not available online, and you can only get it into your PC when you purchase the license from the vmix website. But I can give you an easy way you can get this vmix 28 Pro installed on your PC and everything working perfectly, including the vmix core, vmix zoom core, and every other thing, NDI desktop capture working perfectly for you. Now, this vmix 28 has an extensive features which involve the zoom core, the vmix core, and these features works perfectly okay with the cracked version. I'm going to take you on a step-by-step guide on how to install this vmix 28 on your PC and get it working. Now let's get over to the vmix folder, the installation folder here. This is the installation folder, and we have the software here. We first of all open the software, we try to install it, we click on the installation file while we wait for it to load so we can install it successfully on our PC. Now you click on it and then you're waiting for it to load. Now you've clicked on, you're trying to run the installation file of the vmix, you're trying to install it. Okay, it's open here, you click on yes. Now you have successfully opened it up here. Now you click on accept the terms and agreement, you click on next, 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 you allow the software to install. You allow the software to install here. Now, after successfully installing the software on your PC, you untick this launch. You don't launch it. You untick this launch here. After you untick it, you click on finish. Now, we have successfully installed this software on our PC, the vmix 28. Now, it's time for us to crack it so we can successfully use it for free. That's the Pro version. Now by the time you come, there is a file here. This is the cracked version. This is the cracked file. I'm going to drop this cracked file on the comment section, but I'm not going to drop the full version. If you need the full version of this cracked file, I'll drop my WhatsApp number on the comment section. You can send me a direct message on WhatsApp so I can get it sent across to you. Now this is the cracked file of the software. You open up the cracked file here. Then when you open up the cracked file, you will see a folder. Now this folder, you see cracked. This is the cracked folder. You open it up. Now you copy it. You copy this cracked file. When you copy this cracked file, you click on copy. You copy the cracked file. Then you go back to your vmix directory. Then this is where your vmix is installed. You right click on the vmix. You right click on it, then you open the file location of this vmix. After opening the file location, you paste the file you copy from the cracked file. You paste it anywhere here. You just paste it here. You paste it anywhere here. Now you click on replace file destination, click on continue, and then you're done. You are perfectly good to go. Now you can open up your vmix, and your vmix works perfectly well for you the way it's supposed to. Now this is vmix 28, getting it free of charge without paying for the license on the website. You just use the cracked file to set it up and it opens up for you and everything works perfectly well. Now welcome, this is the vmix 28 we all have been talking about. Now the vmix 28 is here working perfectly, and you can see from here, you go to input, the zoom core is working. This is the vmix zoom core. We have to install the plugin first before it can work. We can install the plugin here directly. This is the video call. This is the video call. This is the vmix video call. You can host the call. You can add different source of input and everything working perfectly okay. This is vmix virtual sets. This is the recording option. This is the web browser. This is the camera inputs where you can input your camera, and everything working perfectly well. So if you need the crack file, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp number on the comment section. You can just send me a message on WhatsApp and I'll get the crack file sent across to you via your email. Thank you very much for watching. Do well to subscribe to this channel. Click the notification bell so whenever we make a post, you can get notification on our new post. Thank you.